starting place of a smile. So does friendship, so does happiness, so you can imagine a child born with a cleft lip and or cleft palate. From a young age, they can already feel hindered self-confidence from not having that ability to smile. Along with that, it's not just an aesthetic thing. They also have problems feeding, swallowing, breathing, and as they grow older, speaking. So what I really love about Smile Train and believe in the way that they put in their work in these different countries is that they do not just send doctors on mission trips. Meaning they don't just send a doctor that does their work and then leaves and the work stops. They go into the country, they empower the community in teaching the medical professionals in each country, and that way, those people from those actual countries can then give their expertise, their treatment to those countries, and the work continues even when the Smile Train professionals leave. So it's a sustainable model, and during this year, I've had the opportunity to work with Smile Train in the Philippines, also went on a mission trip in Brazil, and we have some photos. And when you see the before and after photos of these kids, let me tell you, it is such a fulfilling feeling because when you think about it, a surgery, I've witnessed one, can take up to 40 to 45 minutes. That's so fast to have the first initial surgery, and then a child will come back to get either their palate done or whatever needs to be done, their orthodontics. And then as they grow up, they go through different treatments like speech therapy, also building up their confidence, getting them to feel comfortable with their new smile. So today in front of you, you see mirrors. When I went to Brazil recently, I was able to gift one of these mirrors to a mother of a 6-month-old Bernardo. He's actually just gone through his surgery, but the mother was actually brought to tears when we gifted. That's Bernardo and his mom. The mom was actually brought to tears at being gifted this mirror because it means so much. It means that when Bernardo has his first smile, he can look at it in that mirror. So put that love into the mirror that you're going to create today and think of the child who is going to hold it in their hands one day and see their little smile. And it really has such an impact, and especially coming from you guys, you bring so much love and happiness to your country. So just bring all that energy and put it into your little mirror. For more information on Smile Train, they do have their online website, which is smiletrain.org. Also today, if you have any questions about Smile Train, you could ask any of the staff that came up earlier. And yeah, does anyone have any questions now before we get started on making our beautiful mirrors? Wow. Nothing at all. Okay, fantastic. So,
thank you.
Start?
No, I'm going to go through a couple more
Okay.
slides and then we'll go through it. But thank you, Kat.
Thank you.
Yeah. And just here we're doing surgery on Thursday. We were there, what, like a month ago in Brazil? So, and the important thing about Smile Train we want is perfect time surgery so that they give it at the proper time. So he did, which is really wonderful. And that was intact. It's a hospital photo, but you can see how just instantly that goes up. And then here were just some past I wanted to share because we have this great partnership with the Miss Universe organization. And in the past, Iris and Demi obviously visit our programs too all over the world too, and continue to support us, which has been fantastic. And now you're wondering how you can help, right? Well, I think Kat mentioned we do have the mirrors in front of you, but first I want to raise your hand again. I know you did this already. How many people have seen our programs locally? Because I know there's some in this room. Republic, El Salvador, Colombia, Brazil, Peru, I think Bolivia, India, USA. So once again, we're in 90 countries that we do work. We're not in all the countries that you're from, but that doesn't mean you don't have an opportunity to visit our programs anytime, so feel free to. There's a list of all our countries on our website too where we work, and like Kat said, you can connect with us or your national director who already knows about the partnership. So hopefully as you continue on your title or if you continue on to New York, you'll have that opportunity, but then you go back and you also visit our programs. So today what we're going to do is now everyone does have an opportunity to get involved, and we're going to decorate the mirrors like Kat explained. Write a little inspirational note to your patient, and you can write it in your native language, feel free to. It doesn't have to be in English. And then include your country, and then obviously, like we said earlier, feel free to post on social one pager in front of you, if you can see this, it explains on the second page the activity that we're doing today. So if you need some content for your social media pages. You'll also see on the last page that we have other Smile Train opposite. So if you're tagging Smile Train, that's great, but feel free to tag some of the other ones that we're in the Philippines, Vietnam, Brazil, Indonesia, Africa, because then they'll repush your information too. So just take a look at that. If you have any questions, we're here. And then here was just what happened. So this was actually, like, in the Philippines, we gave this rain from Indonesia. So you can see that we deliver them and they really do love them. And this is a good example. And Kat was there. We all were crying. We didn't expect the mother to cry, but she was just so like, I'm gonna cry again. So I'm not gonna cry you. It was a really emotional trip for us. So, and then you can see there's a little more happy. And the frame she actually gave was Rachel Peters, Miss Philippines from 2017. So it was also more touching just to be able to deliver that. And you contacted Rachel immediately, and she was touched. So a lot of people get touched from this. And then I wanted to thank you all. You may remember, and this is some of your photos because I stole this from one of the fan sites out there that are very good at doing social media. Let me explain. About a month ago for World Smile Day, we had you guys post 1 in 700. I wanted to thank you very much. The awareness was amazing because whenever we all could come together for a common cause, and it was phenomenal. So with that said, we want to do another social media campaign today, which I'm going to explain really quick, and then we can get started on the mirrors. So 1 in 700, really what that is about 200,000 births a year for cleft lip and cleft palate. And when you break it down even further, that's every 3 minutes. So even the time that we've been here, there's already been 4 or 5 children born with cleft. And Smile Train helps about 110,000 a year. That's what we're able to do right now. Now that doesn't mean all these children are getting help because a lot of the countries that we're from in the US and more of the developed countries, healthcare takes care of it. Unfortunately, in the developing world, they're not helping it, so that's why Smile Train comes in to fill the gap. So what we will do today is, you will see we have this great setup, and our photographers in the back, if they could wave, they're set back there. We have these number 3. So what we're going to do is take individual photos of you holding the number 3, and then on Tuesday is Giving Tuesday. A lot of you probably don't know what Giving Tuesday is, so I'll have to explain it, but a lot of you may know what Black Friday is, where everyone goes and spends all their money. So what the charity world did was on Tuesday was, okay, you spent all this money, but now it's time to give back. So it's a day that's actually, it started in the US, but it's been evolving and going to other countries. And so on that day, we always do a social media campaign that the mission of this organization has been involved in the past. And so that day, we're going to post this message, which is every 3 minutes a child is born with cleft, and so it's a time to give back. And that day is about either giving financially or volunteering your time or whatever it may be, but it's not about the spending on Black Friday anymore. It's about giving back to your communities. So we'll have you come up. We'll go table by table, and we have to be pretty quick, but I know you guys are good at this. And so you can do like a couple different ones. We ask that you don't make it too like smiley and laughy. I know that's what you guys are great for, but because it's a serious thing about every 3 minutes, but it doesn't have to be so serious. You can have a smize or what's the Tyra Banks. And then here's just a couple other photos I wanted to show. So obviously we help babies all around the world, but we also help adults. He was 67 years old.
67.
So, and it was good that he actually survived that long, because a lot of times people don't survive with untreated cleft. But he's just as happy today. So just to recap, what we'll do, we'll decorate the mirrors. You'll write a special note with your name. If you want to post on social media, you can post on social media. You'll take a photo with the number 3. And Tuesday, what'll happen, and Bridget's somewhere, there's Bridget, she's on Facebook Live right now?
Yeah, sure am.
She will share with you a download of all the links where you could download your photo, and then she'll also send you that content that I showed you. You could just copy paste. You could put that on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. You can record a story and do a swipe up, whatever works for you. Just as long as we'd love for you to get involved, because like I said, for World Smile Day, it was huge, so it was very successful. And then there's PR in here today, so there are going to be some media hanging around, so they may come up to you and talk to you and everything like that. You will see there's talking points on the second page about the Miss Universe and Smile Train. Just our common numbers. I know some of you haven't been to the field. If you've been to the field, you can talk about your experience visiting the programs, or you can just talk about how important it is that the Miss Universe and Smile Train organization have come together. And I will stop talking now. The best part of the day is just remember to smile and have a good time. If you have any questions, we're around. But thank you very, very much for all this. And once again, thanks to the Miss Universe organization. Thanks to CATRIONA. She's been a phenomenal. I'm going to miss her.
Don't cry.
We get really attached, so it just happens. We had a bonding in Brazil. So, it just shows the passion you guys all have. I know you do have it. If you could just share that passion, no matter what, if it's not with, the Smile Train, but I know you guys all do an amazing work in your community, so just do that. I know Kat's going to be phenomenal. I know she's going to do a lot of work for not just even our charity, but charities out there. So I'm excited to see what's in store for CATRIONA. So, thank you all. Esther doesn't let me cry. Okay, so we could start decorating the mirrors, and then we'll start with the first table, but we're going to do Kat first.
Start here.
Hello, girls.
Yeah.
Hi, can I please join you? I'm so sorry to make it so tight.
Hey guys. What you guys working on? Some mirrors?
Yeah, we're here.
Cute. Very nice. I'm going for the mustache?
Yeah.
Nice. These are some fun stickers. Very nice. How's it going, everyone? It's going good? Looks like you got some good stickers over here. Some mermaids. It's nice. Did you guys learn a lot from that presentation? It was pretty awesome, right? Yeah. Has anyone here ever worked with Smile Train before, or is this your first time?
It is my first time.
First time? It's pretty exciting. It's a great organization.
Yeah, it's a beautiful project.
Definitely. It means a lot too for the kids to get their mirrors and actually see their smile after the surgery. It's a cute thing. So, good experience. So thanks for making these. Go around and check them out. How's it going, everybody? We're on Facebook Live. Say hi to everybody. Of course, this is awesome, right?
Yes.
Has anyone here ever worked with Smile Train before? You have? Yeah?
We have wonderful doctors who work with Smile Train.
Great.
And it's such a 2 years that we've been doing it, so
Yeah.
it's very new.
That's awesome.
Yes.
That's cool to bring it all back together with everyone. Hopefully everyone will be able to work with them in their countries too. So pretty awesome stuff. Thanks, guys. How's it going over here? Going good? We're on the Miss Universe Facebook Live, everybody. Say hello. How are the mirrors coming along? It looks beautiful. I love the messages on them. So good. I'll come around and get a little glimpse at all of them. Hey. Good, how are you?
Really good.
Looks awesome. Yeah, let's see it. I love it. It looks awesome. Oh, cute little crown sticker. That's a nice touch. Oh, sorry. Let's see it. Oh, cute. Oh, uniform. It's all right. It'll get there. It'll work. Very nice. Cute. Little swirlies. Love it. Thanks, guys. Have fun. How's it going, everybody? Going well? Has anyone here ever worked with Smile Train? First time? First time? That's awesome. Let's see your mirror. Cute.
Not yet.
Not yet? Still in the process? It looks good. You guys are great. It looks great. Thanks for doing this, everybody.
Very significant. I'm so excited because this is the first time that I participated in this activity. So I'm
Really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I think it's awesome, and I think it's a beautiful experience.
Thank you so much. Thanks for doing this. Awesome. Keep it up.
I know. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow.
I don't remember everyone's names, like Auntie One.
Where do you meet? That's amazing.
Wait, sorry.
Bye. Bye, everybody. See you later.